Welcome to the BasicSynBio Web App. You can click About to learn more about the BasicSynBio Web App. You can click on the basic build standard to learn about the type definitions used within the BasicSynBio system. To find a video tutorial about the web app, click the tutorial button. The most important page is the web designer. Here you can import parts and linkers from collections or from your own files. To import a part linker from one of our own collections, you first can select the collection, secondly select the version of the collection you would like to import from, and then thirdly select the individual part linker that you would like to use. When you select a part linker that you would like to use, it gets added to the bottom of the box as an icon. This is the same during custom file imports and standard part imports. When uploading custom parts and linkers from your own files, you must select whether the file contains multiple parts and linkers and whether or not you would like to append IS/IP sequences to the part. After this, you can drag the icons that you'd like into the assembly designer, choosing the order of the assembly. You can visualize what a part or linker would look like with this visualization button. You're able to view with SeqViz and DNA Feature Viewer. When you have validated the status of the assembly, you are able to visualize the whole assembly and add the whole assembly to the build. You can visualize assemblies in a similar way you can visualize individual parts and linkers. If the validation fails, it will give you a helpful message telling you why the validation has failed. For example, here, two basic parts are next to each other. Once you have a validated assembly, we can add it to the build as shown below by clicking the Add to Build button. You can view all the assemblies within your build by clicking View Current Build. You may have multiple assemblies within your build. You can see which parts and linkers were used within each assembly in your build. When you're happy with your build, you can click through to the export step. Here you can see all the possible options to export your build. For example, you can download CSVs containing information about the clips and assemblies. You can download a machine-readable output for the build in a JSON format, download a GenBank file containing the information for every unique part within the build or every unique assembly within the build. You can download the lab automation instructions for the Echo machine clips to assemblies, and you can download PDF instructions to build the assemblies manually within the lab. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for listening.